If we need 10 things to survive, money will be on the top of the chart, for sure. But why do we need money? In order to purchase something? But what if we can replace money with something else completely different and intangible? That's the reason I always talked about my concept called global society. Are you guys shocked? Well, there is no reason for that, because we started off exchanging things in that manner. It's called bartering. In an ancient ages, when we did not have the concept of money, we used to exchange goods or services. We can also eradicate money through humanity. And that's the foundation of this global society. And how will you do that? Simple. Distribution. That's what we always talk about, right? If we think about humanity, we will distribute everything towards everyone. And think about the kind of wealth that we have, considering the entire world. I previously created a video on this. You guys can check it out later on. I will share the link as well. So it's somewhere around $1 trillion. It's going to be huge if we can distribute that amount equally, and probably each and every person will be able to survive the way he or she is actually looking for. But it's not possible till the time we are not eradicating all those burdens, all those difficulties, all those barriers, all those reasons from our mind. At the end of the day, it all comes down to our mind, because we are not able to think in that manner. Why would I give it to somebody else which I have earned, right? Well, you forget to realize that you have earned that particular thing or the wealth from someone else. So that's what my concept is all about. What I'm trying to distribute, what I'm actually requesting to distribute, it's already there. It's the wealth of the world. It's not yours. Not possible, because you didn't create it. You can only have it, or you can actually possess it for the more time being. But even you have to spend it to get something else. So of course, you are just actually utilizing all the resources of this world. But in terms of utilizing human resources, I'm saying instead of that, let's use the wealth and let's spread humanity.